Hey guys, what's up? What's going on here? This is Nitin Raj back with a new video. I know it's been a pretty long time. The same line I'm repeating for in each and every video, but there are things which I have to manage, my jobs, my studies and everything. But apart from all the things, without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing video. Alright guys, this is Sony Alpha 6000, my always lovely camera what I used to shoot everywhere, to take it everywhere wherever I go. This is very versatile and has the fastest autofocus, and that's the best thing about it. And this also, I also use the telephoto lens. This is a 55 to 10 millimeter lens. It's a pretty good one too, but as you can see, carrying these two things in a bag is like we have to be very careful enough to not to lose either one of the things, the camera or the lens. Alright folks, so this is the package that I have received, and I've waited for this package since a very long time. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay. GoPro Hero 8 Black 2020 edition guys, latest. Let's see. Let's quickly unwrap the package. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I don't want to lay my fingerprints on this beautiful device. Okay, so this is GoPro Hero 8 Black guys, once again with Hypersmooth 2.0, and this is Beast sleeping inside. I can't wait to unbox it. And has all this beautiful accessories, the camera itself and the battery, the mount and the cable. And we also get a GoPro app to quickly share the images or the videos on the go. So let's quickly open the box. Alright, I'm kind of scared to remove the box, but it's again. Ooh. Holy moly, damn, just look at this thing. It's pretty cool. What have we got with the GoPro? Let's see what's inside the small box. Man, I just can't move my eyesight away from this beautiful casing what they have. Okay, for now, let's keep it aside. Alrighty, so the camera itself. Then we have a GoPro Plus membership, which GoPro provides, which says that they give us unlimited cloud storage for the GoPro footage, and has a complete replacement. They mentioned it, no questions asked. That's a good thing, but fingers crossed, hopefully nothing happens for the GoPro. Then we have a set of instructions like how to unscrew the mount from the GoPro and the GoPro app itself, how to insert the battery and the memory card, the cable, and other instructions as well. What's inside the box? Let's see. We open this up. Okay. Questions. Oh my goodness, a GoPro sticker. I always wanted to have this GoPro sticker onto my bike and my helmet. I miss those days. But again, anyways, I have it now. I can always get it back. So the manual again, I think so. Yes, it's a pretty big book. I'm too lazy to read. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, the case, the storage is pretty good. Alright, so I have a battery for the GoPro 8. Always remember guys, I have seen in one of the review videos, The one with the blue at the bottom is the original battery for the GoPro Hero 8 Black only. You can also use the battery of Hero 6 or 7, but again a few features may not work as per the instructions and the community guidelines says. Then I have a small looks like a cross, a little shapy thing, or sort of mount. It is a mount. Then I have I have a Type-C cable. That means this GoPro has a Type-C cable. I mean the Type-C port. That's amazing, right? Let's unwrap the battery. Okay, alright, so as you can see here, there is a slot for memory card and the battery itself. But once we insert the battery, I think it's going to be hard to insert the card itself. So with this, I have received a 64 GB SANDISK Extreme memory card. It supports a 4K Ultra HD and it's meant for action camera. There's a small logo here. I hope this is fine. And so let's quickly open this up. Alright, so I have taken out the SANDISK memory card now. Let's try inserting it. Okay, so the naming should be inside. Whoa, I'm super scary. Okay, now it's time to insert the battery. Let's turn on the beast. My goodness. Wow. Just wow. This is amazing, guys. So finally I have a GoPro and I'm going to shoot the rest of the videos with this. It's a super handy camera, guys. You can take it anywhere, anytime. As you can see, the specifications I've told, it is a go-to option. I can't wait to show more of the videos from this camera. So I hope you love this video. Make sure you do like, share and subscribe. This is Nitin Raj signing off. See you all in the next video. Cheers.